Oh look, it's Bin Crab. He's doing a great job keeping the ocean floor clean. What's this? Wow, there's a real boat above. Daddy is rowing it through the ocean. Grub is having an excellent time rowing about. Whoa, there they go, up over the coral. That gave Grub butterflies in his stomach. Some colourful fish have come over to say hello. Hello, fish. Beautiful. There's Tucker the turtle. What's he going to do? Ah, he made a silly face. It scared Grub for a moment, but now he finds it really funny. Bye, Tucker. This coral is so bright and colourful, it looks like a rainbow. A couple of friendly jellyfish wave hello. But where have they gone? Boo! That gave Grub a fright, but it was really funny. Bye, jellyfish. Grub loves to see all of the pretty plants and coral at the bottom of the sea. Look, there's Donny Dolphin. Hi, Donny. There's someone swinging up from behind. Oh, it's Mummy. Grub is so excited to see her. She's joining them for the ride. Grub has had an amazing time, but he's too tired to stay awake. Good night, Grub. Sleep well.